Dear friends, we are trying to understand angle sum property of a triangle. Now, this property states that sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So, if two angles are right angles, even if you join this, we can never get a triangle. If this is 90 and second angle is also 90 degrees, please note this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. These two lines will never meet. Or we know that sum of interior angles is 180 degrees. So if this is 90, this is 90, then third angle must be 0 degrees. And if it is 0 degrees, means there don't exist any angle. It means it is not possible to have a triangle with two right angles. So first point is it is never possible. It is never possible to have a triangle with two right angles. Now see, if two angles are obtuse angles means greater than 90 degrees. If this is 100 degrees and other is also 100 degrees. Please watch carefully. These lines will never meet. We also know that sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So if you are writing this as 100 and this as 100, it means this is 200. Third angle cannot be negative angle. So angle can never be negative, and hence it is not possible to have two angles of a triangle to be obtuse angles. So it is never possible. It is never possible. It is never possible to have a triangle with two obtuse angles. So it is never possible to have a triangle with two angles as obtuse angles. Now if two angles are acute, this is 60 degrees and other is 60 degrees. So please note third angle will be 60 degrees because we have already studied sum of interior angles is 180 degrees. So if both angles are acute means they are less than 90. Even if you take 80, still there exist 20 degrees, and hence it is always possible. It is always possible. It is always possible to have a triangle with two acute angles. With two acute angles. Now see next point. If all the three angles of triangles are 60 degree and 60 degree. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180 degrees. We know that angle sum property of a triangle is sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So if all three angles are 60 degrees, then a triangle exists. So if all angles of triangle are equal to 60 degrees, then triangle exists. Triangle exists. Now see, if all the angles are greater than 60 degrees, if this is greater than 60 degrees, this is also greater than 60, third is also greater than 60 degrees. That is, if you take For example, 70 degrees, 70 degrees and 70 degrees. Then addition of these three will be 210 degrees, which is not possible. We know that sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So it cannot be more than 180 degrees. Hence, it is not possible to have a triangle with all angles greater than 60 degrees. So it is never possible. It is never possible. It is never possible to have a triangle. To have a triangle with all angles greater than 60 degrees, greater than 60 degrees. Now similarly, if all three angles are less than 60 degrees, for example, if you take 45 degrees, that is less than this also 45 degrees, this also 45 degrees. If all three angles are less than 60 degrees, their sum will be 90 plus 45 is 135 degrees, which tells us that this angle sum property tells us that sum of interior angle of a triangle must be 180 degrees. If it is less than it does mean that it does not form the triangle. So it is never possible to have, it is never possible, it is never possible, it is never possible, it is never possible to have a triangle, to have a triangle with all angles, with all angles less than 60 degrees. They must, it is possible only and only if all angles are equal to 60 degrees.